Real quick, y'all, I'm doing a giveaway of everything you see here. All you have to do to enter is subscribe and comment your favorite part of this video. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Firebird Austin here. I'm with my boy Trey. We're out here on a creek in North Georgia doing some bass fishing with the Berkeley Choppo, trying to catch some big old shoal bass, maybe some spotted bass, and even some striper. There's all sorts of fish in this creek. So let's get out there, let's get on. All right. Come on, fish. Come on. Where you at? But they'll be up under the log. They'll be behind these rocks. They'll be everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I don't have any rooster tails.
All right, Trey just got one on the Choppo. Now I'm throwing the Choppo. See if we can make it happen right here. Oh, yeah? Oh my gosh, he missed it. He missed it, dude. Oh, he came up and missed, dude. There we go. Same thing. Not small, but he's not huge, but he's good. Shoal bass. Oh yeah. He's probably like 14 or 15. Oh, over in that tree. Whoa! Bro just spit up a crawfish. Yeah, nearly hit me with it. Man, that was crazy. It's like seeing a 4D movie or something. Oh, come here. Come here, Mr. Choppo fish. Wow, what a good fish, man. He didn't even like shake when I was trying to get the Choppo up. Now, to put the crawfish back in your mouth so you can eat it. Here you go, buddy. Here you go, eat that crawfish. There it goes. Oh yeah, you can see his crushers going and taking that crawfish to town, bro. Yep, crawfish is gone. Look at that. Just fed a shoal bass. About the size of Bandit, probably. Wow. What a beautiful fish. See you later, buddy. Oh, there he goes. Let's go. Let's get another one.
Get one in the video.
Yeah. Coming up with the fish. Second one of the day. Oh yeah. You know how to take them out humanely?
I'm up there in the woods. No, I'm just kidding.
Dude, oh yeah.
Where's your board at? He'd be a good one for a tournament.
Oh yeah. That's about the size of the shoalie I just caught.
Yeah.
Looked to be about the size of the shoalie you caught too.
Yep. 16. I knew there'd be one there.
Oh yeah. He'd kind of tangle you up. I don't want to hook you. There he is. Oh man. Not bad. No, he's on there. Oh man. Yeah, not as big as I thought, but he's strong. Yeah, yeah. Whew. Yeah, I mean he's a great size. Got this nice dude, 15 1/4. Gonna release him right here. Now he just needs to go and bite Trey's lure right here.
Firebird Austin, fish. The people at home, he's a skeezer. He takes people.
He's just chilling. Hanging out.
That's
right.
what my last one did.
Oh yeah, I'm on. No, he's a little guy. All right, all right. All right, you've had your fun. Calm down. Hey, stop that. You're not allowed to do that. All right, here we go. Little guy. He's still fat. He's still been eating pretty dang good. But he's probably about 14. Okay, see you later, dude. Yeah, if you can get it up under that tree, that's probably where they're gonna be sitting. That's where I just kind of caught him at. I cast it to the right of the tree and floated it underneath. Like back there. I don't know, maybe I need to throw the jerkbait back over there.
Where'd you get bit? Right over here?
Right at the top of the shoal. Oh, that's a fish. Yep. I haven't had a jerkbait fish in a while. Oh, let's go. It's a stripe.
That's why I wouldn't hit the crawl.
Oh my gosh, I got a striper. Okay, okay, please don't hook me. He also did not fight that hard for a stripe.
I just saw him like take off.
Oh, you on too? Hey, doubled up. Hey, it's still a double. All right, dude. All right, bro. All right, bro. I know. You got a lot of fight in you. Hey, calm down. Yeah, I'm getting the pliers for you, big dog. My first striper on this creek. Let's go. All right, let's get this dude back in. And it was on the jerkbait. Let's go. Yep. My first striper in Canada. Let's go.
Yeah.
We're actually in the Amazon River Basin right now, catching some striper. Trying to catch a peacock bass. We're only catching shoal bass. I don't know how that works.
I don't know what it is.
Was that on the trick worm?
Yeah.
Holy crap, dude. Dude, that thing is running. Oh my gosh.
You got a net?
No, I don't. I can come grab it for you.
No, you're on. I think it's a big one, dude.
Here, I can grab it for you.
No, you're on.
Holy crap, holy crap. Oh yeah, it's big, it's big.
I don't think it's 20, but it's a good one. It might, bro.
Bro, it might, yeah. Holy crap.
God, dude, it's giant.
Oh my goodness.
Terrible spot here. Here, I'm gonna just let my kayak go, dude.
Here. I'm not gonna get too close.
Yep.
Yep.
It's giant, dude.
I don't rush fish at all.
Yeah.
So.
Kayak.
Yep.
He's got a good mouth on him, so.
Yeah, he does. If you can keep him at the surface, I can just grab him real quick. Oh my gosh. I mean, you got him hooked pretty good.
Heck yeah. That's a fun.
Yeah.
That's a good one. I dropped my kayak here.
You want to walk to the bank?
Yeah, let's put him on the board. I don't think he's 20, but it's a good one.
Yeah. He's got to run at least 18.
Yeah. Thought he was huge, dude. When I leaned into him, I was like, I thought it was a rock.
Bro, he's big.
Yeah, that's a big one. Yeah, that's probably my second biggest. Got him. Thank you.
Yeah.
He's heavy.
Oh man. No, he's big. He's big. He might run 20. He might.
I doubt it. Be sick if he did, but.
That, imagine we both
Be
get
really sick if he did.
Okay,
Nah.
maybe not. No, he's over 19 though.
He's over 19.
I'd call him 19 and a quarter.
Yeah.
Bro, that's awesome. What a tank.
Yeah, that's a big one. Big mouth on him.
Oh yeah.
Pretty one. Little stud. FIREbirdaustin.
Yes, sir.
Digging. There she goes.
Wow. Dude, this bend right here is the spot.
That's great. Because you caught yours, where, right over there or something?
Like right in the middle,
Yeah.
right there.
Dude, that's another fish that's just dead calm pool.
Yeah, that is weird.
Right in the pool.
That's not normal for shoal bass, but
Well, Take it how it comes.
Maybe it's because it's been so hot. I don't know.
It's got to just be, I don't know. I feel like it almost has to do something with the shade.
But the Yum Dinger bubblegum lemon swirl color.
Never used them.
This is my first time throwing one.
How the heck do you find something like that?
Dude, I can never find these. What's crazy too is I don't really even feel it. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Don't move! Don't move! Oh, giant striper! Oh my gosh! Dude, what the heck?
How big? Like 20?
Dude, probably 10.
Yeah.
But dude, he was huge. Oh, there came a spot. A little spot came out after my jerkbait. Well, I'm gonna keep this ready in case I see that stripe again.
There he is, right there. Here, he's sitting right there.
Oh, I just had one hit it anyway.
Oh, you got him.
Yep, yes sir. Come on.
Look at them all.
Oh my gosh, yeah, there's a lot more. Little baby shoal bass. Yes sir, get out of here.
There's more of them, look, they're all over.
Oh yeah, that tree back there? Yeah. Oh. Yep.
Got him.
Yes sir. Oh. I hope that was a shoalie. Micro time. Oh yeah, got one. Little guy. No! Get out of here, red breast. Come on. I'm looking for bass, not you. See ya. That sucks. No, you're good. My thing came undone. Oh, there's a fish. Yep. Dang.
Look at that little fat one.
And I had a leaf on there. Whoa, dead fish coming up out of his throat.
Really?
Yep. All right, little guy, I'll see you later. Oh, he just spit out his dinner. I'm sorry. But he was already fat anyway. He was fine.
I just saw one like roll over on the side. And
Oh, there's one.
little.
Yeah. All little shoal bass, man. That's a really good sign.
Yeah.
See you, dude. Oh. Oh yeah, got him. No. Oh my gosh, big old red breast. Yep. When you only see like the tops of their backs, it makes it hard to tell what it is. See you, buddy. Oh, that's a bass. Oh, better. Biggest one on the rooster tail so far. Yep. Oh yeah, he's big enough to bite the Chapo for sure. Yeah. Check out this little shoal bass on the Berkeley Chapo. Or not on the Berkeley Chapo, on the rooster tail. My bad. Get back, kayak. Kind of get too close to me. All right, dude, here you go. Let's go, let's go. All right, I think that's the one that Trey said rolled. There's one following, got one on. It's a little bluegill. See you, dude. Come on.
And you kind of that deeper hole. There he is.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a better one. That's a big one for... Bro, he came out of nowhere.
I'm gonna just walk around with a chopper with no hook. Anything else?
I got him, but did not expect this, dude.
Yeah.
On a rooster tail.
Yep.
My micro rod.
Pretty sick the guys catch them on a fly.
Oh yeah, I want to do that so bad. Like hey, he just spit out a crawfish. Man, they're all spitting out their food today.
Decent one.
Yeah. In my top 5 today on the rooster tail.
Yeah.
Look at this shoal bass, guys. Good one on the rooster tail. That's crazy. Because Trey just missed him a couple times on the chopo. Or I think he missed Trey's chopo. But
yeah, it's Trey's fault always. Yeah.
no. It's the fish's fault, bro. He missed it. Oh, yes, sir. Little guy, you're just able to horse him in. Uh-oh.
He going on the bank.
Uh.
I should know it's being shoal bass.
Oh my gosh. I just got a bite from a shoalie and missed him. There he is. Oh, he came off, dang it. Ah. That was a different one. First one the bit was bigger. There he is. Shoal bass. Little baby. See you, dude. I want to say I have. Yeah, that's about as big as you'll get them. They just don't really thrive in here. Oh, there's one. Yes, sir. Look at this dude. Oh. Don't hook me, sir. Don't hook me. Please. Look at that monster. That's a PB right there. Let's go. Don't tell your friends. Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't even see him bite. Did I still have him on? Yes, I do. Dude, that's a PB. That is a PB right there. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. I think I just broke the world record shoal bass. Right there. Boom. It's a monster. Dude, that's fun size. You could just eat that, dude. Just that's sushi, bro. Let's go. See you, dude. Oh my goodness.
Oh. You got it.
Oh no, he took the worm.
He had it, dude.
He took the worm. The worm's gone.
He freaking had it. I saw it.
Oh, I know. He didn't have the hook in his mouth.
That's a freaking good one.
He didn't have the hook in his mouth. No. No. A hook?
I don't think I brought my hooks.
Yeah, I should have some in my bag. I should have some in there. Oh, there's a fish. Spot.
Yep.
Oh, what?
Dude, screw that. I'm gonna just put on my old hook, I guess.
Oh my gosh. Okay, where's my crawfish lure? Putting that back. Putting that back on. Uh-huh. Okay, they're not wanting anything now. I've hooked them both. Got him. Got him. Been watching this dude for a minute. Nah. But a good fish on the jerkbait. I sight fished him. Yep. Not bad. Good shoal bass. Oh yeah, fellas. Look at that. Nice little shoal bass on the Berkeley Stunna 112 jerkbait. Oh yeah. I mean, he's a little fat. Look at that. Good gut on her. Uh-oh. This battery died, but I'm gonna get a release on this girl right here. Let's go, man. Pumped. Yes, sir.
That'll help the bag there.
It's probably like, what, a 17? Shoot, bro. Oh, I think you're right, bro. I need a soft plastic on. Oh, yeah. My favorite is when they do that when you got treble hooks. I do not believe that was the only shoal bass out here. I don't buy it for a second. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come here. Oh! There's a striper trying to eat it. A giant striper trying to eat the bass I have on.
Are you serious?
Yes. Holy crap.
How big is the bass?
About a pound, and this striper is probably about 10. Yeah. Crap, where'd the stripe go? It's a spotted bass.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Dude, this stripe keeps coming back.
Got some live bait out there.
Holy crap.
You still looking at it?
Yeah. Bro, where'd he go? See him? Right behind it? Oh my gosh. Man, it was a big old stripe. I mean, as soon as I hooked that sucker, like I pulled him over and this giant stripe just followed him over and kept biting him.
You might have lost interest.
And dude, there was like 3 other bass with him.
Yeah.
And the bass were about his same size, but the stripe was following him, trying to eat him. Like, holy moly, dude. All right, I'll get him, man. Oh, all right.
Where'd you catch him at? In between like this little...
Just right out here in the middle, yeah. All right, guys, this is an Alabama spotted bass, so he's invasive in here. So I'm gonna take him out. Big area.
Deep hole right here.
Mm-hmm.
Little big mama should be laid up. Striper hole here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's a fish. Is it swimming at me? Yeah, it was swimming at me. Yep. Oh, he came off.
Oh, how big was it?
I don't even know. He just started swimming at me. Oh, it was a stripe.
No.
Yes, it was. I just saw him come up and swim off.
You throw jerk that out there.
Dude, stripes will hit Helgramites? Since when? Bro, I already got nailed up there. Yeah, he missed it though. Be careful, we're probably stepping on fish. Yeah, bro, he was like right up here. Right there. See. Oh, no way. He's not bad. He's good. Current said you can't have him. Oh my gosh, he's coming towards me. No, you're good. Dude, that's a good one. It's like 16, 15 or 16. Oh yeah. Okay.
He just stubby. That's what I meant.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I don't know, because the current's helping me, but Chapo. Oh, you woolly booger! Oh my gosh. Man, he jumped straight up in the air and just spit it. It was a dark looking one. Ah. Oh. Come on.
Cool for me, not cool for you.
I know. It's fine. It's fine. Well, just sling him around, why don't you?
Try not to freaking fall and die. Get swept away by the locomotive.
Yeah. This Canadian water, man, it's just different. Well, I really need to get going. Didn't have the hook, huh? What? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
That's a good one, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh, that's a good one. Oh my gosh, that's a 20, dude. That's a 20 inch. That thing's freaking huge.
Okay, okay. I'm gonna get out with you. All right, I'm gonna try and help you. Dude, that's a tank. Oh my gosh. Bro, what did you do? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Dude, he's been caught before.
Has he?
Or is that mud?
No, it's mud, bro.
Oh, okay, I thought it was a hook mark.
He's never been caught. Oh, it's a good one. Put him on the board.
Dude, yes sir.
Big mouth on him.
Yep, let me get your kayak out of the way.
Right in front of your kayak, too.
I know, you just cast it right in front of me before I could catch him. Here. Hey, come on the other side. I just wet the board.
About to find out.
Yep. Moment of truth. Is it a 20?
I don't think it's a 20, but it's a dang good one.
Mouth open.
19 and a quarter.
Might even push 19 and a half. Bro, that's huge.
That sucks, dude. I mean, it's awesome, but it's like...
It's giant, man. Oh my gosh. You got 2 over 19 out here. Golly.
One more shot of the camera.
Yeah, Aaron's gonna crap his pants, bro. Is he gonna touch my foot? He went right by my leg. Where'd he go? Oh, there he goes.
Where'd he go?
He's down there.